Welcome back to another CHEM2303 lab experiment primer video. Sometimes analyte solutions may not be immediately suitable for spectrophotometric analysis. Using a simple liquid-liquid extraction, we can fix this problem. To put theory into practice, we'll be extracting a copper complex using an organic solvent for its quantification. Fundamental concepts like understanding how pH and solvents can affect extraction efficiency and how to do liquid-liquid extractions will be important in this lab. Once you've fully completed experiment 2, you'll be comfortable with creating standard solutions, using a spectrophotometer, interpreting experimental results, and reporting your scientific data. We'll have a few tips for this lab, so let's get started. Preparing many different solutions in multiple pieces of glassware can result in misremembering what went where. Before getting started, make sure to label all your clean glassware appropriately. Once all your solutions have been made in volumetric flasks and transferred to separatory funnels, appropriate volumes of ammonium citrate and ammonium hydroxide can be added to your samples. Before adding your sodium carbamate solution and chloroform, remember that you're adding these to one solution at a time. Also, when handling chloroform, make sure to wear polygloves. Due to the time sensitiveness of this experiment, extractions and measurements should be done on a similar timescale for all samples being extracted and analyzed. In addition, the samples are sensitive to light. Quickly handling them with the fume hood light off will ensure reproducible results for experiment 2. Once your measurements have been gathered, make sure that all solutions are disposed of correctly and glassware cleaned. Using your corrected absorbance readings, a copper calibration curve can be made to determine the amount of copper in your dilute unknowns and in your original unknown sample. With that said, good luck and stay curious.